Can you become a Monese money magician? Borrowing with Monese explained. Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial flexibility. Let's face it, sometimes life throws unexpected curveballs, and a little extra cash can feel like the magic trick you need to solve a big problem. But what if you're a Monese user? Can you cast a financial spell and borrow some money right from the app? Understanding Monese. Monese is a popular digital banking app that lets you manage your money, send and receive international transfers, and even get paid early on your salary. It's a fantastic option for people who are on the go, freelancers, or anyone who prefers a mobile-first banking experience. But when it comes to borrowing, things get a little less clear. Types of borrowing options. Traditionally, banks offer loans or credit cards as borrowing options. Loans are a one-time lump sum you pay back with interest over a set period. Credit cards, on the other hand, are revolving lines of credit. You spend up to a limit and repay it monthly, with interest accruing on any outstanding balance. So, does Monese offer loans or credit cards? Here's the thing, as of today, Monese itself doesn't offer direct loan or credit card services. This might seem like a limitation, but it's important to understand Monese's core function. They primarily focus on money management and international transactions. Monese partnering up, the power of integration. However, there's a plot twist. Monese understands that its users might need access to credit sometimes. That's why they've cleverly partnered with other financial institutions to offer borrowing options directly within the Monese app. It's like having a little loan consultant right in your pocket. Finding your borrowing options within Monese. Here's how it works. Open your Monese app and navigate to the section for loans or credit. This might vary depending on your location and specific Monese offering. Within this section, you'll likely see partner institutions offering loan or credit card products. Monese acts as the bridge, connecting you with these lenders without the hassle of multiple applications. Important note, understanding the partner. Now, this is where things get interesting. While it's convenient to have borrowing options within Monese, it's crucial to remember you're essentially dealing with a separate lender. Each partnered institution will have its own eligibility criteria, interest rates, and repayment terms. Taking a peek under the hood, researching your options. Before you jump into any borrowing agreement, take some time to understand the specifics. Here's what to consider. Eligibility. Do you meet the income requirements or have a good enough credit score to qualify for the loan or credit card? Interest rates. How much will it cost to borrow the money? Annual percentage rates, APRs, can vary significantly. Repayment terms. What's the time frame for repaying the loan or credit card balance? Are there any early repayment incentives? Fees. Are there any origination fees, late payment penalties, or annual fees associated with the product? Remember, borrowing money is a responsibility. Don't get caught up in the convenience factor and forget to do your due diligence. Exploring alternatives beyond Monese. If, after exploring the Monese partner options, you don't find a suitable fit, don't despair. There are other avenues to consider. Traditional banks. While Monese might not offer direct loans, traditional banks often do. Consider exploring loan options with your local bank. You might be surprised by their offerings. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. These platforms connect borrowers with lenders directly, potentially offering competitive rates. However, thorough research is essential before using any peer-to-peer platform. The takeaway: be a wise money magician. While Monese itself doesn't directly offer loans or credit cards, their clever partnerships can be a great starting point for exploring borrowing options. Remember, treat borrowing like a magic trick, use it wisely and responsibly. Do your research, understand the terms, and only borrow what you can comfortably repay. There's no magic potion for financial responsibility, but a little knowledge and planning can go a long way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. And until next time, remember, manage your money wisely and borrow responsibly.